Oh. Boy, that was a big fish, Chuck. Is that a big one? Let's see this monster. Oh my God! Oh, what did you get it on?
Teeny tiny,
Dry fly?
teeny tiny silver bead Frenchie.
Because
Dance.
Yeah, you never know.
it's a monster, dude.
Nice.
There you go, bud.
So the question, Chris, is how did... God, that is a pig. Hey Chris, I got one. Oh, this is a big one, Chuck.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Holy moly.
What a monster.
Chuck, that thing is huge. Oh, baby.
Good boy.
Look at that tank.
Nice. Nice. Off he goes for another one. Oh, okay.
Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here. What's your name, Rocky? Egg. Man, there's an even bigger one under it. I just saw it swim past. Oh no! Sorry, Chuck.
Oh, that's right. I caught him. That's all.
We got a long distance release, right?
That's right. It's
Wow, they're really deep in there.
yeah.
Oh, Chris, you got one already? Wow. Oh, a nice one too. Oh man, I got one too. Oh, wow. Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh man.
I was stripping that girdle bug in and he just came up.
I was letting mine swing. There's no way I'm gonna land this fish. Oh, baby. Look. Chuck, this is ridiculous.
I can only do one at a time, Chris.
You racing me?
I went down to 3X.
This is a tough one. Come here, yo. Come to Chuck, baby. Come to Chuck. No, don't get scared of Chuck. Get down. Go on. Oh, okay. Woo! Fly, didn't
Yeah,
it?
he did.
That is a big fish. Look at this thing. Woo! Look at that. What?
Bye, had enough.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah.
That's when they're fun.
My gosh, dude, this thing is enormous. This is way bigger than that other fish I caught.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Dude, look at the size of this thing. It won't fit in my net. Dude, this hook's gonna be straight by the time I get it to me.
Look at this. See him swimming around?
Yeah.
If you doubled up, oh, you only have one hook.
If I doubled up, I would die.
Yeah.
My wrist is already like, bro, take a break.
Dave's got a lunker on.
Oh, he saw me. Man, this 5-weight is like, dog, are you crazy? You got him? Yes!
Man, what a monster.
Woo!
That's a monster.
Oh my gosh!
Look at the size of that fish.
This thing is massive. God, I can't even get my hands around it. Okay. You got it?
He's a good 24, don't you think?
Oh, easy. Okay, buddy.
15 around.
Yeah.
All right, you guys fish for a while. I can't feel my fingers. Oh, yeah.
There he is.
There's 3 more come out of here.
Is that the little hare's ear? You lost the hare's ear?
Big grass back there. Yeah, really weird.
What did he eat?
So weird.
They fight real hard and they don't go crazy whenever you... Gosh. Come on, fish. Oh my God.
Quit playing him, Dave.
I'm not playing him. He keeps running. Oh, I'm trying to keep him out of that current. Because if he gets over there, I'll never catch him. Gosh. Oh, fish, don't you know my wrist is sore? Yeah, I think I can land this one. There we go.
I think they do.
Okay.
It's possible they stop.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, that's a big
Chris, that's a
cow.
tank, dude. Look at Chris's face. Look at him into the current. Wow. Come on. Oh! That was so cool. Like a porpoise. Wow!
Like a whale.
There he comes again.
Look at all his other ones. Oh,
Gosh. What a show.
Look at all his other ones following him around.
Uh-huh.
Like, what's wrong with Big Larry?
Nice snag. Holy cow.
Pink salmon.
Oh my gosh. These things are huge, Jack.
Not any fish.
Oh man.
Do that.
You want a picture of him?
Yeah.
Got him. Excellent. See you, Larry. You said that's a rock, Chuck? Oh no, that's not. Whoa! Oh no! Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one.
Whoa! Hang on.
All right, Chris. Yeah.
Giant jumper.
Oh gosh, doubled up. Who do I help? Oh. He's soaking wet. Swam right into the net. Uh-huh. Wow. This is a little one.
Well, it can't all be big ones.
I was joking. This one's really big.
Oh.
Oh, he's running.
Oh, he's staying deep.
Whoa!
That's a nice one. Awesome.
Oh!